Did you know some of the so-called heart-healthy, low-sugar, or diabetic-friendly breakfast foods you eat daily might be the reason your blood sugar level is out of balance? While food is meant to nourish and protect us, today's processed options often do the opposite. Breakfast, which was once considered the healthiest meal, has quietly become one of the most deceptive. Here's the catch. Many popular choices are loaded with hidden sugars and refined carbs that spike your insulin, drain your energy, and can lead to insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes over time. In this video, we'll expose them all by revealing the 7 common breakfast foods that may not be as blood sugar friendly as you think, and what science really says about them. But it doesn't end there. We'll show you smarter, delicious alternatives to help you start your day strong and keep you truly healthy. Now, let's get into it. Number 7. Flavored instant oatmeal packets. Flavored instant oatmeal might look healthy, but most are far from it. While plain oats are loaded with fiber and nutrients, the flavored packets often contain added sugars and artificial ingredients. According to the Cleveland Clinic, a leading healthcare center in Ohio, the sugar in these packets can outweigh the natural benefits of the oats. Here's why that matters. The added sugar causes a quick spike in blood sugar, triggering a surge of insulin. Repeated spikes like this can wear down your body's ability to manage blood sugar, leading to insulin resistance and, over time, type 2 diabetes. The worst part is that these products are often labeled low sugar, heart healthy, or low fat, making them seem like smart choices when they're not. But here's the good news. You can still enjoy oatmeal. Just go for plain rolled or steel-cut oats and add your own flavor with cinnamon, berries, or a little natural sweetener like stevia to help keep your blood sugar in check. Number 6. Granola. Don't let the health hype fool you. Granola isn't always the guilt-free breakfast it claims to be. Many store-bought versions are loaded with hidden sugars, processed oils, and extra calories. In fact, just 1 cup can pack 300 to 600 calories thanks to sweeteners like syrup and refined sugar, plus oils like palm or canola used to boost flavor and crunch. According to research, dietitians warn that these sugar-heavy granolas shouldn't be eaten daily, especially for breakfast. Why? Because too much added sugar can overshadow the good stuff, like fiber and healthy fats from oats, nuts, and seeds, and lead to weight gain. Here's the real issue. All that sugar and oil turn granola into a high glycemic food. It spikes your blood sugar, then drops it fast, causing cravings, energy crashes, and over time, a higher risk of insulin resistance. In addition, it's super important to know that granola isn't all the same. The ingredients tell the story. If it's packed with dried fruits or sweeteners, expect more sugar. If it's full of nuts and seeds, you'll get more protein. And if it's loaded with whole grains, it'll give you a good dose of fiber. So your best bet is to read the ingredients thoroughly and choose low sugar, low oil granolas, or make yours at home with oats, nuts, seeds, and just a touch of natural sweetener to enjoy an authentic granola breakfast that won't send your blood sugar on a roller coaster ride. Number 5. Fruit juice smoothies. When it comes to breakfast options, many of us assume fruit juice smoothies to be healthy choices, right? But here's the surprising truth. Many store-bought fruit smoothies are more like sugar water than a healthy breakfast. They're often made with fruit juice, not whole fruit, and stripped of the fiber and protein that help slow down sugar absorption. Research shows that some commercial smoothies contain more sugar than a child's entire daily limit. And since they go down quickly, it's easy to consume a large amount without realizing it. The result is a rush of sugar, carbs, and empty calories that leave you unsatisfied and set you up for a blood sugar crash. In fact, a comprehensive study on popular smoothies found that nearly half contained too much sugar, some with up to 7 grams per 100 milliliters. The problem is that these sugary drinks can spike your blood sugar quickly, leading to energy crashes, cravings, and over time, insulin resistance. The best solution is to eat whole fruits on their own. This gives you the most fiber and allows you to control portion size and prevent sugar spikes. And if you do want a smoothie, make it yourself using whole fruits, vegetables, and a source of protein or fiber without adding any sweeteners. That way, you keep your blood sugar stable and still enjoy a nutritious drink. Before we continue, if you're finding this information eye-opening, kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Number 4. Low-fat flavored yogurt. Low-fat flavored yogurts may look healthy, but removing the fat often means adding sugar. A study from Science Direct, the world's leading source for scientific research, reviewed 120 supermarket yogurts and found that nearly half were labeled low or non-fat, and a whopping 97% contained added sugars or sweeteners. Here's how it happens. When fat is taken out, manufacturers add sugar to make up for lost flavor. The result is a longer-lasting, so-called diet-friendly yogurt that spikes your blood sugar like candy, leading to insulin surges and energy crashes. So your better choice is to go for plain, full-fat, or unsweetened Greek yogurt and add your own fruit or nuts. You'll get the protein and probiotics without the hidden sugar. Number 3. Veggie or spinach wraps. They're green, they say veggie, and they look healthy, but don't be fooled by the spinach wrap. What seems like a smart choice is often just a regular tortilla in disguise. According to the Cleveland Clinic, most spinach or veggie wraps contain barely any real vegetables. Instead, they're made mostly from refined white flour with a splash of food coloring or spinach powder for that healthy look. And here's the problem. Refined flour breaks down really fast, causing a quick spike in blood sugar. Without fiber or protein to slow it down, your insulin surges, leading to energy crashes and, over time, insulin resistance. The good news is that you can still enjoy wraps. Just look for ones made with 100% whole grains, or use real leafy greens like collard greens or lettuce for a fresh, nutrient-rich alternative. Number 2. Bran Muffins. Bran muffins sound like a healthy way to start the day, but many are just sugary cakes pretending to be good for you. Despite their fiber-friendly image, most store-bought versions are packed with refined flour, sugar, and unhealthy oils. According to research, some pack 300 to 500 calories and over 40 grams of sugar, more than a chocolate chip cookie, with barely any actual bran or fiber. That sugar and refined flour combo hits fast, spiking your blood sugar, triggering an insulin surge, and then crashing your energy. Even homemade recipes labeled healthy often rely on brown sugar, honey, vegetable oil, and very little real bran. The label may say digestive support, but your body gets dessert instead. The fix is to make your bran muffins at home. Use whole grain flour, real bran, a modest amount of natural sweetener, healthy oils like olive oil or avocado oil, and fiber-rich add-ins like fruit or nuts. That way, you get the taste you love, without the sugar crash. Number 1. Protein bars. Protein bars are by far one of the biggest culprits when it comes to sugar-laden breakfast options. They might look like a healthy grab-and-go breakfast, but many are just candy bars in disguise. Loaded with added sugar, artificial ingredients, and low-quality protein, they can do more harm than good. While they seem convenient, the truth is that most commercial protein bars spike your blood sugar and offer little real nutrition. In fact, research from the National Institutes of Health, NIH, shows that many protein bars are closer to junk food than a balanced meal. But the good news is, you don't have to give them up entirely. Just choose smarter. Check the label. Look for bars made with whole food ingredients, minimal added sugar, and high-quality protein sources like whey isolate or plant-based blends. Skip anything with long ingredient lists full of preservatives and sweeteners you can't pronounce. So, dear viewers, it all comes down to this. Recognize the foods that aren't serving your health and replace them with better choices, especially when it comes to your breakfast. If something is marketed as healthy but leaves you feeling sluggish or craving more, it's not helping. Food should fuel and heal your body. If it doesn't, it's time to let it go. Now tell us, are you guilty of eating any of these healthy breakfast foods? If so, have you ever noticed a sugar crash or energy dip after having them? Share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you learned something new today, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more simple, science-backed health tips. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.